Hey guys, I'm back. I'm talking polygons and all the things today. Polygons are any plane shape, which means two-dimensional. So all the shapes that are not 3D are going to be polygons. Okay, so it's a plane figure that is made up of closed straight lines. If it's a closed shape and there are all straights, then it's a polygon. These are like not polygons, okay? Now, types of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals only have to have 4 sides. Doesn't matter anything about them. Let's start with this one. Rhombuses have 2 sets of parallels and all 4 sides the same. Trapezoids only have 1 set of parallel and that's it. We don't talk about kites much. If we did, you would know that they have 2 sets of parallel and equal sides and pair of equal opposite angles. Okay, we don't really talk about kites. That's fine. A square has 2 sets of parallels, 4 right angles, and all sides the same, while a rectangle is just the same as that, but not all sides the same. And then the parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel and 2 sides equal and opposite. Okay, so this is the exact thing from our test last time. Like, I know that it's been a while, but a plane shape. So all polygons are plane shapes. And all quadrilaterals, which are 4 sides, are types of polygon, which is type of plane. And so a pentagon is a type of polygon, and this is triangle as a type of polygon. But these 3 are all different because they have different side lengths. I'm seeing this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5 side lengths. So that's why they're in different categories. I think we also said that like circle would be over here. Anyways, a right triangle is a type of triangle. A parallelogram, 2 sets of parallel, is a type of quadrilateral. And then a rhombus is a type of parallelogram because the rhombus has the equal sides and opposite equal sides, all 4 sides the same length, and 2 sets of parallel. And then there's no types of pentagon. So what I want to do is talk about some different scenarios here. I'm just going to read them off to you, and you can kind of think about them as I say them. All closed plane figures with 3 or more sides are polygons, and quadrilaterals are closed plane figures with 4 sides. So, the polygon with 3 sides, I think that we know what that is. And then the quadrilateral with 4 sides. So all quadrilaterals are polygons. All quadrilaterals with 2 pairs of parallel sides are parallelograms. Got it. All quadrilaterals, parallelogram type of quadrilateral. And rectangles have 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay, if we had rectangle, it would be down here. We could exchange rhombus for rectangle. So in that sense, a rectangle is a type of parallelogram. These are answers. I mean, don't write them down, but have them in your brain. All squares have 4 right angles. Actually, I can just write in here a type of parallelogram is a rectangle. Okay. And then we're talking about squares. All squares have 4 right angles, and all parallelograms with 4 right angles are rectangles. So all squares are, say it out loud, rectangles. Good. And then our last one here, all rhombuses down here, have 4 sides of equal length. And if a square is a rhombus, so all squares then have 4 sides and 4 equal lengths. So I'm going to put square down here because we know that the square is the most specific, and then this would be the most general. So your work today is just deciding which is which. Okay, so if you actually want to write this down. I'm going to get out of the way. You can like look at this and write it down on a blank piece of paper. That way you can kind of see it is what is on top of it. A quadrilateral is a polygon and plane. A square is all these things. A right triangle is a triangle, which is a polygon, which is a plane. So it is what is above it. And the most specific is down to the bottom, and the most general is up to the top.